Good morning, my Dhamma brothers and Dhamma sisters. The class on Paticcasamuppada is important to understand. Among the Buddhist discourse, Paticcasamuppada, actually you already know, profound. It is profound, seem to profound. It is deep, seem to deep. Why it is the discourse profound? Because without the Buddha's teaching, we cannot know. Even Venerable Sariputtras, without the Buddha's teaching, reasoning from the Buddha, this cause and condition, effect, the straight out linking cannot be understood. Therefore, before Buddha appears, without the knowing of Paticcasamuppada, many teachers, they have a great scholars, they have knowledge, even they are Guruji, they cannot find the exit of samsara because they do not find the Paticcasamuppada, do not find Paticcasamuppada. When the Buddha appeared just after attainment of enlightenment, the Buddha contemplated Paticcasamuppada, Anuloma and Pratiloma. And near body trees, because of this discourse important and very deep. Without the knowledge of Paticcasamuppada, nobody can attain Magga and Phala. Paticcasamuppada is the second knowledge of the foundations of Vipassana. The first knowledge is analytical knowledge of mind and matter, Namarupa Paricheda or Sankhara Paricheda. By this knowledge, we can purify our views, Ditthi Visuddhis. Ditthi Visuddhi is not other things, only analytical knowledge of mind and matter. Analytical knowledge of mind and matter is called Ditthi Visuddhi. After Ditthi Visuddhi, the knowledge of causality come into being. This knowledge of causality is included in Paticcasamuppada. For normal people's knowledge of causality is not enough, like Paticcasamuppada. Only just the beginning of Paticcasamuppada. Paticcasamuppada is very deep and seem to deep, profound discourse. We have to chant, to learn, to teach Paticcasamuppada. So, very good opportunities. in this lecture, especially Paticcasamuppada, in present life, how to contemplate. Before I didn't explain about that. Present life, how to meditate in Paticcasamuppada. Connecting with the other suttas. So I am very happy to explain Paticcasamuppada and practical way, so how to contemplate, how to meditate vipassanas. Especially Paticcasamuppada dhammas are not like 24 conditions of patthana or mental process. Mental process preceding and following. Paticcasamuppada cause and effect, just linking concerning each other. Mental process, whatever precedence, it is hetu paccaya, anandara paccaya, samanandara paccaya, preceding and following. Paticcasamuppada is not like that. Avijja paccaya sankhara. Avijja paccaya sankhara is not like pancadara vacana, chakku vijnana, sampadicana, not like that. Pancadara vacana, chakku vijnana, sampadicana, sandirana, uttravana, chavana is just process. Just process. But the avijja paccaya sankhara is deeper than that, not presently preceding and following. Therefore, we must understand this point also. Sankhara paccaya vijnana. Sankhara paccaya vijnana is here. Only nanakanika karma, karma paccaya in that case. Not a patisandhi, after patisandhi chutti, anandara paccaya. Not like that. So there is a regarding to karma paccaya. Sankhara paccaya vijnana. Then Kama bhava paccaya jati, also kama paccaya. Want to explain kama paccaya. Therefore, nanakanika kama paccayas, the same life existence, only megaphala is possible. Different life, sankhara belong to previous life. Vijnana, the present life. We must understand in this way. By explanation also, I think it is not enough. She must try to understand more and more. Paticcasamuppada is profound, and the more we understand Paticcasamuppada, the more we have knowledge. Therefore, I advise you using the two qualities which is remain you, sati and panya. With the mindfulness, you try to understand the Paticcasamuppada By means of sati, memorizing what the Buddha taught. By knowledge, you will clearly understand more and more. I hope by studying to understand Buddha, when you go back to your place, your knowledge will increase regarding to the Buddha's teachings. May you all have good luck in Dhamma knowledge. Thank you for listening.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.